Hi, I'm Tony Sanders, and I'd like to tell you a bit about myself and about my teaching career in this video resume. So stay tuned. I first started teaching in 2007 at McKinley Tech. I taught there as a permanent sub during 2007-08, and then in '08 I started teaching full-time in the math department. I left there in 2010 to switch to Perry Street Prep. Perry Street Prep actually started as Hyde Leadership right next to McKinley Tech, and I taught there beginning with Algebra 1 and also teaching pre-calculus. I taught at Perry Street Prep from 2010 through 2014. I was hired away from Perry Street by the Kingsbury Center. I teach Algebra 2, pre-calculus, and statistics and probability to students with learning disabilities. It's been a very enlightening experience. I really enjoy it tremendously. And I enjoy the fact that I am also able to employ a lot of technology into my teaching. Most recently, I've built an app to help my students consolidate all the learning resources that they use on a regular basis in my classes. I've also produced a number of instructional videos and posted them on YouTube. I started this when I was at McKinley, and this is my first video here. I have quite a number of videos now because I started back in 2008 producing videos, and some of them have been quite popular.
Roll back column.
Let's take a look at this. This is a general outline of how to graph a parabola. The last batch of problems 31 through 44, all deal with logarithms. Before we get into our next problem, let's just take a quick look at what it means to find a perfect square trinomial. The last part of what we're going to do with this problem is we're going to convert from vertex form to standard form. Hi, I'm Tony Sanders, a math teacher here at McKinley Tech High School, and we've got a copy of the unit circle up here. And what I did here is I put in the angles, the 30-degree angle, 45 and 60. Okay, welcome to our solutions for finding inverses of logarithms on worksheet 1.
In July of 2015, I earned my DCPS teacher's certification. And that same month, late in the month, I was hired by the Whittier Education Campus to teach middle school math for 6th, 7th, and 8th grades. I've been doing that this year, and it's very different from high school. I understand the differences, and I think my real desire and my real ambition is to teach high school math.
I continue to produce instructional videos, but now I've also started to work on developing my students' knowledge of how to use smartphone apps. So I'll give you a quick tour of the smartphone app that I developed and some of the videos that I've produced to help them use that app. Okay, as promised, here's a tour of the app I've developed. Right now it has the Kingsbury logo on it, and once you tap that, there are 8 separate courses that are available. All of these point to a website. This is so that all teachers in the upper school can participate in contributing materials to the website. So the art teacher has her own page, other teachers would have their own page. In addition to building a few websites that students and teachers can go to, I've also incorporated access to on-phone smartphone apps such as LearnZillion, so students don't have to leave my app to get to another on-phone educational app. Well, that wraps up my video resume. I hope to hear from you soon.